The last thing we need to talk about is our water hardness. Unfortunately, in our area, the water is very hard, and that hardness will start to build up calcium, or also known as scale. In the event that you didn't clean your shower for a few weeks, you would notice this calcium building up in your shower. And that's the same thing that happens in a pool. But in a pool, it's typically called scale. Scale is not a defect in the product, nor is it a warranty item. Scale is just unfortunate because of our water conditions. There are a few ways that we can treat this scale. The easiest way to treat the scale is to run a lower pH. The lower pH makes the water more acidic, and as it's more acidic, it'll eat the scale off of the pool. But this takes a great deal of brushing and frequent brushing to work. And in extreme cases, we can drain the pool and clean the pool walls and floor with a muriatic acid water blend. This is a little bit more intrusive and ideally would not be the preferred method.